is good, bro. It's been so long since I got on this camera and actually talked and made a video. But so y'all seen the podcast room in the last podcast? Hopefully, maybe. I don't know. Check it out. Check out the podcast. It's pretty dope. I just finished decorating everything, so now I'm gonna show you guys kind of what we're working with here as far as decorations. Let me get my shadow out of here. I got this ring light. I mean, this stuff in here is just bright. It's beautiful. We got a wheel coming for topics, for Mackin. Got some Mackin stuff here. Just a couple of cool things. Couple collector's cars. A lot of cool cars. These ones are all metal here on the bottom. Premium Hot Wheels. Look at this. Clean. These are all just the regular blue cards. Also pretty clean. You know, we got a Cybertruck, C8 Speedtail, you know, some Liberty Walk cars, GTRs. We got some more collector stuff, HKS, GTR Collab, 190E, Cyclone. Got some cool stuff here. You know, another R32, 787B. Got some cool stuff here. So yeah, the room now is pretty much done. A lot of cool stuff. Got a lot of Hot Wheels for sale too. If y'all want to check out my Mercari, I'm gonna post a link down in the bottom of the description, and y'all can check out all the Hot Wheels I got right now for sale. Got a lot that I'm like collecting. So all the stuff on the wall, none of that is for sale. That's all keep. But I might have some duplicates, so just go ahead and check stuff out if you're interested in getting some, or you want me to find some or whatever. Just ship it out to you. Yeah, today is exciting because I just got me some parts for the Audi. So I'm about to open this thing up. It is a huge package, and I'm gonna leave it a surprise what we're unboxing. But yeah, y'all can take a look at the size of this thing. I mean, this thing is no joke. It's probably like 3 feet, probably. Anyways, though, I'm gonna set the tripod up, and then we're gonna open it, see what we got in here today. Yo. Okay, let's see here. So I'm about to open this. I got this little screwdriver. This ain't about to do nothing, but frick. Yeah. I'm excited. Oh, it's got a light. Okay. Like a little multi-tool or whatever. Yeah, I ordered this probably like a week ago or something. Probably 2 weeks ago, honestly. Yeah, this thing's just now coming in, and I figure it's time for at least one upgrade on the car, at least. But yeah, anyways, let's see. Bruh. Box in a box with more. Make sure there's not nothing in this. Nah. Alright. Here we go. Y'all might have seen already what it is, because I didn't realize there's a sticker on the other side saying what it is. Alright. Here we go. Bruh. Bruh, this is sick. I guess this is the Audi symbol for trying to put lights. I don't know. It's kind of whack. I'm not even gonna use this. That's kind of whack. Debadging the whole car. part of the plans with the car is to murder it out, everything. Every last bit. But I got a grill. I'm about to see what kind of grill. Because there's a couple to choose from. But, I don't know, I thought it was a pretty simple decision to me when I saw the grills, the availability for them and stuff, you know, so, wow, this thing is nice. I gotta find an OE bumper, unless I convert, or else I lose the grill. This grill is not compatible with other bumpers that I like, so, yeah, I need to find an OE one, because the clear bra is like peeling off, but anyways, here it is. Here's the grill. This thing is nice. Oh, I think it sits like this. So here's the grill. It's got these little tabs here. Be real quick and easy install. This is what looks so good on there compared to the regular Audi thing. Oh, dude, this is about to be so nice. I literally can't wait. So, again, there we are with some gloss black, the honeycomb. You know, this might, yeah, this is definitely gonna make the car look a lot nicer. I'm 100% down for this. So let's go ahead and, yeah, we gonna put this in today for sure. We're gonna put it in. Alright, not gonna lie, it's kind of sprinkling, so that's why I didn't film anything. But this is the look. This is the new look for the car. So everything is honeycomb and it matches. And I think it looks good without the emblem and everything. But I had to repaint these because they had some rock chips and stuff from just driving. So yeah, everything here looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the results. So we're just wrapping stuff up now. I'm gonna put the wheels and stuff back on, and then this thing will be done. But this is the new one, and then this is the old one, super faded, just grody. The badge, probably for sale if anybody wants it or needs it.